4 soldiers and the commanding officer of 46 Assam Rifles, along with his son and wife, were killed in an ambush by militants in Manipur's Singhat on Saturday. 3 injured in the incident were taken to Behyang Primary Health Center. Initial reports suggest that Manipur-based People's Liberation Army could be behind the attack. The commanding officer has been identified as Colonel Viplav Tripathi, who was returning from one of his koi posts in Myanmar border when the attack took place. An official said that among the dead, 3 were from the quick response team. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said that the perpetrators would be brought to justice, strongly condemned the cowardly attack on the convoy of 46 Assam Rifles, which has reportedly killed few personnel, including the CEO and his family at Churachandpur today. The state forces and paramilitary are already on their job to track down the militants, he tweeted. Chief Minister N. Biren visited one of the injured Jawans at Shija Hospital in Manipur. In Imphal, Biren said he has directed officials and hospital authority to provide the best medical care for the Jawan. Their sacrifice will not go in vain, Biren said in a Facebook post.